Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 208 in the Allure Premium specification. So this car has a lovely panoramic glass roof, 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done just under 15,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Western Supermare. Thank you.